We want to find the perimeter of a triangle from its coordinates. The perimeter is the sum of the three side lengths. Here are the points A, B, and C on the coordinate plane. We will use the distance formula to compute each side. The distance formula says d equals the square root of open parenthesis x2 minus x1 close parenthesis squared plus open parenthesis y2 minus y1 close parenthesis squared. Step 1. Length AB. We plug in A equals 0, 0 and B equals 4, 0. B equals the square root of open parenthesis 4 minus 0 close parenthesis squared plus open parenthesis 0 minus 0 close parenthesis squared. That becomes the square root of 16 plus 0, which is the square root of 16. So AB equals 4. Step 2, length BC. Substitute B equals 4, 0 and C equals 2, 2 times square root of 3. BC equals the square root of open parenthesis 2 minus 4 close parenthesis squared plus open parenthesis 2 root 3 minus 0 close parenthesis squared. That is the square root of 4 plus 12, which is the square root of 16. So BC equals 4. Step 3, length AC. Substitute A equals 0, 0 and C equals 2, 2 times square root of 3. AC equals the square root of open parenthesis 2 minus 0 close parenthesis squared plus open parenthesis 2 root 3 minus 0 close parenthesis squared. That is the square root of 4 plus 12, which is the square root of 16. So AC equals 4. Now add them up for the perimeter. 4 plus 4 equals 12. So the perimeter is 12 units. Since all three sides match, this triangle is equilateral. Perimeter equals 12 units. Great work!